Hello from South Pointe Beach in Miami Beach, and it's time to start day number 3 of my US plus Caribbean vacation. And today is the last day in Miami, and I have actually now 3 hours until checkout and 5 hours I need to board the cruise ship at 1 p.m. and the cruise will sail at 4 actually. And what a wonderful day it is, what a wonderful morning. I have been walking all the way from the very beginning of South Beach where I'm staying, maybe around 4 kilometers. I have been walking along the beach and came to the very end of the South Beach, that's also called South Pointe Beach. And I remember there is also a pier where I have taken a very nice picture in 2019 when I was here. So I will try to recreate that after this episode. Here we have also huge buildings that are also overlooking not just this coast but also the pier with the cruise ships where I will be going later. And this is where that's actually where the first lifeguard station is, and it continues all the way down. I think I have been walking past 18 of this as I'm staying at 18th Collins Street, and I think there is around one at each entry of those streets. And yes, 2nd of January 2025, second day of the year, and today I'm going on a cruise, and it's gonna be also a bit of a detox from the internet for me, as I haven't opted to buy the internet on board because it was quite expensive in my opinion. $40 per day came to 300 to almost $400 for the whole cruise. And I will try to get some internet while we go on land on some of the countries. But yes, it's also good to enjoy a bit, and I will have a lot of episodes to post now, I realize, only from Miami but also from the Caribbean states that I'm going to. So yes, this is how South Pointe Beach looks like. That's part of South Beach, almost empty, very few people here and there, much less crowded than the ones where I'm staying. So let's continue and have the first swim for today here in Miami. It is 19 degrees Celsius in the air right now, so a bit chilly morning, but it will be up to 25 later today. I got actually 10 yesterday, much more than I got in Thailand actually, because here I think the sun is not that dangerous right now because it's winter and it's not so close to the equator, but still it has very good climate indeed. And in the water it is around 23 degrees Celsius based on the satellite measurement, and it looks so nice, so beautiful indeed. Right, the water looks amazing and really looking forward to the first swim of the day. And yes, so checkout day from the hotel where I was for 2 nights in Dorchester. Quite nice apartment hotel, 3 stars. And I'm looking forward to check out the cruise. It's my very first cruise in the Caribbean, and let's see if I'm gonna like it to do a few more rounds and visit Miami once again, because most of the cruises starts from Miami, and it's also very kind of easy to get here. I had a connecting flight to London on 31st of December, but there is also a direct flight from Stockholm to Miami with SAS, Scandinavian Airlines. Last time I was flying to Miami in 2019, I actually flew to Fort Lauderdale, and the ticket cost like 1,000 crowns, around $100, which was insanely cheap. And then on the way back, also from New York to Stockholm, I was flying for the same price. Those were the good days where the plane tickets to US were cheap. Now I think the cheapest one may be around $500. Well, that's a return ticket. But most of the airlines, it's quite less. It's cheaper to get like a return flight than one-way ticket. Anyway, enough about that. Let's enjoy this beautiful view that I have from Miami Beach, South Pointe Beach exactly. And time to go in for the very first swim of today, 2nd of January. Let's go! So yes, still we are in the sunrise hour. Actually, it has been now 1 hour and 8 minutes since the sunrise, but it was a bit cloudy, so the sunrise wasn't as spectacular. Yesterday it was a bit better. But I have a video of walking along the beach through the sunrise, so check out that video as well if you want to follow, if you're interested in that, of course. So, greetings from South Pointe Beach in Miami. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me. I'm looking forward to do some more swims later here before I go to the port and get on the cruise. So thank you so much and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.